In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write and document on Notion. Whether you're new to Notion or looking to enhance your skills, this guide will provide you with the steps you need to navigate the platform effectively. To start, you'll want to head to your connected workspace where you can organize your wikis, documentation, and projects. Notion is a versatile tool, so having a workspace ready means you can structure information in a way that suits your needs. Once you're in the workspace, locate and click on the Login button. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials, which will grant you access to your Notion account and all its features. If you haven't set up an account yet, you'll want to do that first to take full advantage of everything Notion offers. After logging in, navigate to Notion Home. This is your central hub on Notion, where you can see all your existing pages and projects. It's neatly organized to help you focus on your priorities, making it easy to jump right into your work or start something new. Next, familiarize yourself with the sidebar. The sidebar is your guide to the different sections within Notion, including your pages, databases, and templates. Clicking on various items in the sidebar will allow you to navigate smoothly between different projects and folders, keeping your workflow streamlined. Now that you've got your layout figured out, it's time to personalize your workspace. Adding a title to your page is a great start, and then you can choose an icon or cover image to make your page feel your own. This not only makes the page visually appealing, but also helps you identify it quickly among others. To add content to your pages, you'll be using the +/ command to bring up a list of block options. This is one of Notion's powerful features, giving you the freedom to seamlessly integrate different types of content, like text, images, and tables, into your pages. By simply typing a /, you're opening up a menu of content types, making it easy to choose exactly what you need for your document. Finally, to format your documents and make them more interactive, explore the callouts and toggles. Callouts are useful for highlighting important information or instructions, making sure key points stand out. Toggles, on the other hand, allow you to hide and reveal chunks of content, keeping your document tidy and manageable while still providing all the necessary details at a click. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to create detailed and visually appealing documents in Notion. Practice using these features, and soon enough, you'll be navigating and utilizing Notion like a pro. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.